Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is series of UI technologies CSS and this is part 7. Today we are going to learn advanced CSS selectors. So let's begin the session. First we will understand star selector. What is star selector? To select all HTML elements, we make use of star selector. Let's understand it with practical example. This is one HTML code already I have created. Let me explain this code. Doc type HTML, then we have opening HTML. In opening HTML, we have head section. In head section, I have title learning CSS advanced selector. Then I have make use of link tag to link this CSS file. Okay, whose name is here advanced css.css. End of the head section. Then we have body section. In body section, first we have heading 1, the coding board. Then we have our first div element. In first div element, what do we have? In first div element, we have h3 tag and 2 paragraph. Okay. Then we have our another div element, second div element. In second div element, what do we have? We have h3 tag with heading 2 title. Then we have one paragraph with one ordered list and remaining part of the paragraph. Then we have another paragraph with content paragraph 4. Then our second div element is closed. Now we have one more div element. Here in third div element, what do we have? In third div element, we have one h3 tag and we have one paragraph with content Mohsin, and then this div element is closed. Okay, so this was all about HTML file. Let me execute this in browser. Here is our output. Heading 1, the coding board. Then this is one heading with h3 tag. Then we have two paragraph. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Then we have h3 tag in second div element. And then we have one paragraph with ordered list. Then we have another paragraph, paragraph 4. Then we have heading 3 in last div element h3 with content one paragraph Mohsin. Okay, this is h3 and this is paragraph Mohsin. Now what we are learning? We are learning star selector. Why do we use star selector? We use star selector to select all HTML elements. So in this CSS file, I will make use of star selector and I will give background color to all HTML elements orange and color will be blue. Save the code and now let's refresh. So here all the HTML elements got selected whose background color is orange and color is blue. This was all about star selector. Now our next selector is descendant selector. For parent-child element, we make use of descendant selector. Means there should be inheritance. There should be parent-child relationship. Now, note, need not to be immediate parent. Means that parent-child relation should not be immediate. If it is immediate, then good, no problem. But if it is not direct, if it is indirect means what? Grandfather and grandson, they have parent-child relation, but indirectly. Correct? In this way, there should be parent-child relation. It doesn't matter whether it is direct parent-child or indirect parent-child relation. Okay? So, what we will do, I will select div and its child paragraph. Now, what should happen in this code? In this code, all the paragraph whose child is, sorry, all the paragraphs whose parent is div element should get background color orange and color red. I will give red color. Okay, observe carefully in CSS file. Code is saved. Now let's refresh. Let me increase this size. See what happened. This is our first div element. This div element having two paragraph. Okay, and now this is our second div element. Okay, here we have only one paragraph with one ordered list. So what happened here, for that ordered list style is not implemented, but for the part of that paragraph whose parent is div element got this particular style, background color orange and color red. Now we have our last div element where we have only one paragraph. See, observe, this is our last div element. Here we have only one paragraph. That paragraph got selected and background color is orange and color is red. In this way, all the paragraph whose parent is div tag got selected and style is implemented. This was all about descendant selector. Now we will learn adjacent selector. What is the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent means side by side. To select an element who are side by side, we make use of adjacent selector. Let me explain. Suppose this paragraph para 1 and para 2. Okay, these two paragraphs are side by side. If we want to apply style, to this paragraph, if we want to apply style to this particular paragraph, then we can make use of adjacent selector. What will happen? This two paragraph will be selected and our style will be implemented to this particular second paragraph. Why? Because this paragraph is beside, or we can say side by side to this particular paragraph. This is all about adjacent selector. Let's understand it practically. What we will do, let's take one more paragraph here, last paragraph in div 3, third div element. Okay, save the code. Now what should happen? These two paragraphs are side by side and these two paragraphs are side by side in second div. In third div, these two paragraphs are side by side. So to whom this style should be implemented? To this paragraph, to this paragraph, and to this paragraph. Okay, let me help you with output. Now we have not implemented any style, so this is normal HTML file. Okay, so what we will do, see here, here our style should be implemented, here our style should be implemented, and here our style should be implemented. When it will be implemented? When we make use of adjacent selector. P plus P, and here we have style. Background color orange, color let's take pink. Save the code. So what does it mean? All the paragraph who are side by side to another paragraph. See here, all the paragraph who are side by side to another paragraph should be selected and this style should be implemented. Okay, now save the code. Before refreshing, let me help you. Where should be our style? Our style should be here. should be here and should be here. Let me refresh. Got it? So color is pink and background color is orange. This was all about adjacent selector. Now we will move ahead and we will learn attribute selector. Style based on attribute. Attribute selector is all about style based on attribute. Let me explain. See, in this code, only this paragraph. Which paragraph? In third div tag, second last paragraph having two attributes. One is ID and one is class. So do we have this attribute in another paragraph? No, we don't have. So if we want to select this particular paragraph based on attribute, then we will make use of this attribute selector, style based on attribute. Let's do it practically. Paragraph with attribute class should have background color blue and color red. Save the code. Before refreshing, let me help you where should be changes. Changes should be here at second last paragraph. Why? Because here we have class attribute. Okay, observe carefully. I am going to refresh. Got it? Based on attribute, our style got implemented. This is all about attribute selector. Now we have last selector, advanced selector, nth of type selector, nth of style selector. What we will do, see, as per the code, this is our second div element. In this div element we have heading 3 and then we have this paragraph and then we have this paragraph. In this paragraph, this is ordered list. Now suppose if I want to apply style to this li and this li. Let me increase the size. Suppose I want to apply style to this li and this li. So what I will do in CSS, nth type of nth of type. Whose nth of type? Li's nth of type odd. What we want? We want background color black. Okay, so here our style got implemented. Observe carefully. Let me refresh. Got it? Let me make color white. Okay. In this way, we can select particular element of this particular li and we can apply odd or even. Then that particular selected element will have this style. I make some changes in here. li slash li 4. Then if I make even, then all the even numbers will get selected in this way. If I make it 3, then third will be selected. If I make it 1, first will be selected. So this is all about advanced selectors. Okay, that's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.